The sun was setting over a forgotten field in South Florida when my detector screamed, not a chirp, a scream. I pulled a 1916 standing Liberty quarter from the roots of an old oak. Most people call it luck, but I wasn't there by accident. I was there because of a map drawn 80 years before I was born. Here's the thing nobody tells you. The best silver isn't found with your coil, it's found at your desk. Today, I'm showing you the research secret that finds more silver before you ever leave the house. Method number 1, the USGS Topographic Archive. This is your foundation. You aren't looking for modern roads, you're looking for the black dots on maps from the 1920s. Those dots are homes that no longer exist, schools that burned down, gatherings that history forgot. Find a dot near a natural spring or a crossroad, and you've found a silver mine. And that's where most people quit. They see the map and they think they're done, but we're just getting started. Method 2. Old newspaper archives. This is where the ghosts of the past start to speak. Search for terms like company picnic, church social, or even revival meeting from the early 1900s. Newspapers often describe exactly where these events happened, 3 miles south of the old mill. Hundreds of people in their Sunday best, sitting on the grass for hours. Do you know what they dropped? Silver. I pulled up something nobody expected at a site like that last summer, a cache of mercury dimes in a hole no deeper than my hand. Method 3. County plat records. This is the professional secret weapon. Plat maps show land ownership over time. They tell you who lived there and, more importantly, where the property lines were. When you overlay a 1940 plat map on Google Earth, suddenly that random forest has a structure. You see the old fence lines, you see the well sites, you see the paths where people walked every single day. That's where the high tension signals are, right on those forgotten paths. When you combine the USGS dots, the newspaper stories, and the plat records, you aren't guessing anymore. You're walking onto a site with the confidence that the silver is there, waiting for you to find it. But here's the reality. Research is work. Most people would rather just dig pull tabs all day than spend an hour in the archives. But you want the history, you want the treasure. So here's my challenge for you before your next hunt. Just 20 minutes. Spend 20 minutes doing this. Find one old map of your local area from before 1950. Find one spot that used to be a building but is now just grass or trees. Just one. Then go there. Dig the first signal that sounds like silver. I promise you the feeling is different. Because you didn't just find a coin, you found a piece of history that research brought back to life. The signals are out there, you just have to know where to look. Happy hunting.